Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much again for all the support and the kind words. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm just doing this makeup look that I have on right now. I used my So Jaded palette by Kathleenlights and Colourpop. And if you didn't watch my last video, I mentioned this in my favorites. So I used the warmer tones in this palette to create this kind of like red, orange, sunset vibe eye look. Well, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much, and let's get to the video. I'm starting off with my eyes primed and set with concealer and powder, and I'm going in with the colors Royal Jewels and My Precious, using this as a transition color. Going in with the color Citrine, I'm using this in my crease and then just blending this out really nicely and really taking my time and building up the color.
When I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right.
I'm then just taking the color Carnelian and patting this all over my lid, and I'm then blending this outwards into my crease area.
So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all.
I'm slowly taking my time layering this color on and making sure it's nicely blended out. And I'm using this color to create a winged look, focusing on bringing that color into my outer corner to create that look and shape that I want to achieve. I'm using that citrine color to blend out those edges and add more yellow back into the look.
Giving you my hand.
I'm taking the color Sunstone on my fingertips and placing that on the inner parts of my lid. I'm taking a smaller detailed brush with the color Carnelian and really focusing on my outer corner to create that winged look. Moving on to the face, I'm using my Milk Luminous Blur Stick to prime my face.
So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
Going in with my favorite foundation at the moment, and this is the Revlon Candid foundation in the shade 110.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all.
I'm concealing using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and this is in the shade Cool Ivory.
Nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right.
I'm using my Beauty Blender and concealer to create a really sharp look around my eye makeup.
Sun is about to go down.
I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Fair to set my face.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you,
I'm bronzing my face using my Hourglass Ambient Lightening Bronzer in the shade Diffused Bronze Light. And for blush, I'm using the Milani blush in Romantic Rose.
yeah, I'm really being honest.
Finishing up the eye look, I'm going back in with the color Carnelian and applying this to my lower lash line And I'm only focusing this on my outer third of the eye because I don't want to make my eyes look smaller. I'm making sure to connect this color into the winged look that we created. And I'm blending that out with the yellow citrine color. I'm placing the color Pearl on my inner corner and then my brow bone to highlight the eye look.
You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet when it starts.
I'm highlighting my face using the Wet n Wild highlighter in the color Precious Petals. Guys, I don't know if it's just me, but I love highlighter. I probably add way too much, but I can't help it. Like, I love it. It's just the best part of the makeup look. Am I right? I'm then popping on my Pretty Vulgar mascara, and you can add eyeliner to this look if you want. I personally didn't want to because I wanted the colors to really stand out and be more dramatic. And I'm struggling to get the last out of my clear gloss out, but I'm just popping that on, and that is it. The look is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye!
Said we could meet when it started. Yeah. Slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up a new